Our kaikamahine will be doing a mele entitled Lē'ahi, composed by Mary Pula'a Robbins and Johnny Noble. The mele is composed for our great landmark, better known as Diamond Head, or more commonly known as Diamond Head. It is entitled Lē'ahi for its original inoa kahiko. The reason why we chose this mele for our kaikamahine, or chose to teach our kaikamahine this particular mele, was to teach them about this place, this particular place, Oahu, and teach them about prominent landmarks, as well as to focus on inoa kahiko, things that they might not know about their own home, their own island home, and what better to get more acquainted with and more kama'aina to their home than teach them about it, particularly during this pandemic, because they're here. They at least can go outside and look at these places and be familiar with these places. What was great about teaching them a mele like Lē'ahi was it taught them more than just about the landmark. It taught them about an era in our Hawaiian history, the era where sailing was important and prevalent. Yeah, and travel by water and by sea was prevalent. The things that you need to watch out for, and malama, your environment around you, and things that were important at that particular time. So another reason why we chose the mele Lē'ahi was to kind of teach our keiki about the levels of interpretation. When you look at a mele like Lē'ahi, you can tell what the literal words are and what the literal meanings mean. They're very descriptive, but there is a level of kauna there, hidden behind that mele. And while it's maybe not appropriate for keiki, at least we can teach them the literal meaning and teach them about history through these kinds of mele. And teach this mele again when they get older, and teach them about the different levels of kauna.